Here we have a 70 plate Land Rover Discovery. Now this vehicle comes with the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked. You'll also find the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set to the lowest setting. You'll find the grey paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and got the Discovery badging across the bonnet. Round to the passenger side, you can see the second alloy wheel just down here, again unmarked. We also have the colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the roof rails. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof, currently open, can also get put onto a tilt. We do have the rear spoiler at the back, Land Rover badging here on the doors. You may see as well sparkle in the paint lack, does look really nice in the sun. We do have front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras and a visual display inside. Got the power operated tailgate at the back. Press the button just underneath here and you can see the boot opens. You can also open it using the key. Inside of here we do have plenty of space. Got the bottom half just here which you can open by pressing the button just there. You can see plenty of space inside of the boot. The vehicle is also a 7-seater, so you've got 2 extra seats in the boot. You see with the seat belts as well either side. Partial shelf, of course, along the top, and then we also have the buttons so you can fold the seats down. Press this button again and you can see it raises back up. We also have another button there for the air suspension, so you can lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. Back around to the driver's side then, and you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We have a look inside of the interior, so taking a look through the back door, you can see we do have the leather seats, fixed ISO points as well back here. You also have this armrest down here which does fold out with the cup holders as well just there. Climate control down here for the rear passengers. We also have the infotainment screens on the back of the front seat headrests. Little grab handles making it easy to get in the vehicle. Electric windows on the doors. If you take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable. We do have the memory function on the driver's seat. They also have their own individual armrests. Both front seats can also be air conditioned or heated, and also the rear outer seats can be heated as well. There's a look as well at the roof from inside. We do have the electrically adjustable steering wheel. It is multifunctional, so we've got a range of buttons here. Digital dashboard. If you put my foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle does start up. If any of these lights or screens are flickering, it's only the camera, so nothing to worry about. You can see you've got automatic wipers on that stalk there. Got the adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and also the steering wheel can be heated. You can turn it on by pressing that button. We then have the digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. Main infotainment screen in the centre, plenty of different features on here you would have seen on the photos, but if you go through the different options, you can see you can scroll through the different ones. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ambient lighting, off-road information, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. We do have the sat-nav just here as well. Further down you'll find got the climate control for the front, it's called air conditioning. You can also open it up by pressing this button. You've got some extra storage behind there. If you click onto this seat icon, this is where you can adjust the temperature of the seats for both the front seats. You can see they can be air conditioned or they can be heated, but you can also do the back seats from this screen as well. As you can see, turn the heated seats on for the back as well. Further down, some more storage space underneath there. We also have the automatic gearbox. If you go into reverse camera appears on the screen. We've got the 360 view just here, and you can also go through the different camera angles by pressing these buttons. As you can see, they all work as they should. Back into parking in, just like so. We do have the different drive modes. It's currently on auto, but you can press that in, and then you can use the little dial to switch through the drive modes. You can see we've got mud ruts, sand, rock crawl, and also the gravel and snow. Let's leave it in auto for now. We then have the air suspension. It's on the lowest setting, but you can press this button just here. It goes to the normal height, press it again, and it goes to off-road. Let's leave it on normal for now though. Underneath there we've got the cup holders. As you can see, it slides open like so. It's currently holding the key. Electric handbrake, armrest as well, which can be opened up for extra storage. That's all on the show today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Land Rover Discovery. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I've got to fight the steering to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the phone connectivity volume buttons on the left, along with the adaptive cruise control on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show different features. Now we are coming up to a junction, got a right indicator on, and make sure it's safe to turn right. There's no cars. We're going to continue on our way, start to get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You will find paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to change gears manually. Now if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice it'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Got plenty more features as well throughout the interior of the vehicle. Leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable. Both front seats can also be heated. Steering wheel can also be heated as well, making it perfect for the cold winter mornings. You will find the panoramic glass sunroof up there, really gives a nice premium feeling to the interior. We then have the main infotainment screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav, but again plenty of features on there. You would have seen all of the photos. Just below we have the dials for the climate control, ice cold air conditioning, making it perfect for the hot summer days. Now we are going to turn right, so again indicator on, slowing down, making sure there's no traffic, and then turning right onto Gravy Road. We'll start to accelerate again, getting up to speed, going through the gears with no issues. We do also have the different drive modes. It's currently on auto. You can easily change drive modes with the dial down here. We are going to take it nice and steady around this bend, put our left indicator on, slowing down, and then turning left onto the dealership, and it will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Hard onto the brakes, into reverse. You'll find the reverse camera appear on the screen. Back into drive again, as you can see, with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with ones some requires of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.